To make banana chocolate chip pecan bread, melt 50 grams of butter in a saucepan and mash up 2 ripe bananas in a mixing bowl. When the butter starts to brown, add 15 milliliters of a good quality vanilla extract to the pan. Then pour the vanilla brown butter over the banana and add 50 grams of brown sugar. Then toast 100 grams of pecans for about 5 minutes to help them release their oil. Chop them up and add them to the bowl. Add 2 whole eggs, 60 grams of your favorite chocolate bar chopped up, and mix them in. Then scale 120 grams of whole wheat einkorn flour, 3 grams baking powder, a pinch of salt, and fold them into the wet ingredients just to combine. Do not overmix the dough. Then divide the batter between 2 loaf pans that are already prepared with butter and flour, and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 45 minutes. The banana bread is done when it is nicely browned and a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out dry.